What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today, we are going to be talking about concession areas. What are the top things that you have to have outside your home theater to make it a truly exceptional experience? In today's episode, we're going to get into what we have right here behind me. A bar, refrigerator, popcorn machine, a killer arcade that houses over 10,000 games, as well as our AV rack lives out here, and that's housing a lot of our key components like Trenov, Kaleidoscape, Mad VR, our amplification, as well as all of our sources, surge protection, and things like that. If you guys are interested in purchasing anything home theater related, keep in mind we are nationwide and would love the opportunity to earn your business. We carry all the industry leading brands and have 28 states covered if you need installation. All right, guys, let's get into this video.
All right, guys, welcome to what I call the concession stand, a cool area to hang out in, especially for non-movie nights as well. One of the cool things about the concession stand area is definitely the arcade. You know, all the kids flock to it. A lot of the people are like, oh, wow, you know, that's really cool. You know, what is it? How is it? You know, how does it work? You know, where do I put in a quarter, so to speak? You know, 4 different joysticks and buttons there so they can pick a game, just absolutely play to their heart's desire. You know, you could date back to the Atari, the classic arcade games with Pac-Man, Mrs. Pac-Man. You know, it has all the Super Nintendos, Nintendo 64, so you have all your Marios, your Sonics, your Sega. This is a Dreamcade from Phantom Arcades. You know, Dennis he loves arcades and building them. So this is what he calls the dream screen, or the golden ratio for arcades. What he's able to do here is we've actually tilted a 65-inch Samsung OLED TV. By putting it vertically, now we have a portion of it sectioned off, as you can see, for that 4:3 aspect ratio. And then what he's using the other real estate above it really give you a marquee look. It'll show the retro artwork of the magazine. It's really cool down there. You know, it kind of doubles as a jukebox as well, being fed into a Sonos amp that's powering Focal 1000 series speakers. So you're getting, you know, a little over the top audio, but that's how I like to do things. You know, you can quickly just AirPlay or go into the Sonos app, choose a song, and yeah, this thing will, you know, really rock if you wanted to. That is one thing that really sets off the concession stand area, is the arcade area or portion of the concession stand. You know, we have a microwave as well, a popcorn maker. We really utilize the bar area a whole lot, especially for like basketball games. Being in Kentucky, you know, UK basketball is huge here. You know, my dad's friends, you know, my buddies will come over. You know, after the kids are asleep, we're all piled around the bar, you know, eating snacks or watching the game out here. We also have people in the theater watching those games, so you can kind of step out if you're wanting to kind of snack and eat, talk. But this is kind of more or less just the hangout spot. And then if we are doing a more movie focused night, you know, we can have the movie simultaneously going up there as well. That way, if you grab some popcorn out of the popcorn machine or go use the restroom, you know, you can kind of glance and see what, you know, where the movie's at. Not a lot of people are expecting that if they do have to step out of the theater to see, you know, both going simultaneously. You know, we can flash up movie posters on there as well. That sort of thing is really cool. You know, you grab your drinks, grab your food. Really cool hangout spot. You know, the kids love it. I can't wait till they're a little older to appreciate it more. And I'll be, you know, I'm sure the cool house for all the kids to hang out in. And so I'm looking forward to that, to really have, you know, memories. I can't wait to have even more whenever they're older and bringing their friends over as well.
All right, Dream Media family, that is a wrap on our must-have items for your new concession area. If you're interested in building your very own dream home theater, reach out today and schedule a free video consultation with one of my specialists. We like to hand curate packages to fit your exact space and budget. And if you're building a brand new home, we can actually go a step further and really think through every single detail, we have a special program here called Dream Media Plus, which is a VIP club, and it gives you special access to our executive consultants to be able to do things such as 3D renderings, 3D animation fly-throughs, to where we can create a virtual design and bring that vision to life. In addition to that, we do things like sound isolation, seating charts, screen size, go through every little thing that you need to optimize your system for the best performance possible. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you're looking for an arcade, you're looking for a home theater, no matter what it is electronic related, even if it's some speakers out by the pool, we have you covered here at Dream Media. So reach out today and show your support. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.